Hi guys, welcome back to HierroShield's YouTube channel. Today we are going to get a walkthrough of a CTF problem that is named as red. So when we visit this problem, they have given us a PNG image that is named red, and there are three hints actually. The first one says the picture seems pure, but is it though? Then some gibberish wording is there: red, get, bad, add. And lastly, they are saying check whether Facebook is called now. Sorry, check whatever Facebook is called now. So these are the few hints they have given. The first thing we will do, we will copy the screen link. Now we are on our shell. So we will just do wget. So we will just do wget. Once we have done this, so here is the image with red.png.2. So what I will do is I have already checked with this image, so it's just a red color image, nothing else. Then another thing we can look into this problem is that as this problem is related to forensics, so there is probability that the metadata of this image may contain some of the hints or what we can say flag kind of things. So for me, going through the metadata of going to go through the metadata of image, I prefer Z-stack. So we'll just move in here. We will type in Z-stack hyphen A and the image that we have. So we will just press run and it will start decompiling the image, and whatever the data that has been hidden to image, it will be shown on our screen. So we'll just wait for unstacking the image files or subfiles inside that image. Once it has been decoded completely, so it will show us some, at least a single hint towards our flag. We'll just wait for that one. We will check what if we find any value, sentence, or anything like that. Okay, so here we can see, guys, here is some string kind of thing that looks like base 64. So either this thing is a string or that it's starting with small c. So what we will do, according to me, this is the string, I think, starting from small c only. So I will just copy this thing and we will just try reversing this one. So it has been copied. So there is a string reversal tool that I use. So I will paste it here, and right here is the reverse string. We will just copy this and we will move on to another web-based tool, that is CyberChef. So CyberChef is used to actually decrypt things. So here, what we will do, we will just paste our copied string that we have reversed. And once we go with base 64, here we can see we have a flag here. We will just copy this flag and into our Scilabs, we will paste our flag and we will click submit. And yeah, that's how we have found this flag. So this was a easy level forensics problem. Hope so you guys got clear idea of how we should be approaching to this problem. And if you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. And if there is any particular request to solve a particular problem, kindly let me know in the comment section. We will surely look into it. Thank you so much for watching this video.